lots of presents this year. Do you like the Hulk that you were given? Look at that, Avengers. How about your vacuum cleaner? Where's your vacuum cleaner? Can I see it? Can I take it? Take it? Is that a new Dyson vacuum cleaner? Kids version. So cool. Who gave it to you? Godmama? Thank you, Godmama. Wow, that's so cool. And it really works. Okay, on it. I want to see. How does it work? Yeah. How did? Can I see? Can I see?
Go on.
Can I see? Where is it? Where's the stuff? It will? Oh, so it okay? So that would spin around and it would look like you're really vacuuming the floor. Oh, you can remove that? Okay, you can remove and put it back. Oh, it's just like the real one. That's so cool. It's just like the real one. You could take it out and you could put it back together. You have got new Legos as well. What is this? It's a dinosaur with a... Oh, so cool. Look at that. Oh, what's he doing? He can sit inside and drive the car. Oh, that is really cool. Does he... What is he? In Jurassic Park. This is really like a car in Jurassic
I
Park.
lost my gun. The Lego gun.
Lego gun? Okay, we'll look for it later. I remember you had a treasure chest. This is a treasure chest? Where's the treasure chest? Oh, this is so cool. This looks like a raptor. This is a raptor. What's this? Can I see this? Oh! Look at it. Elijah, what are those? That's Gloria's new present. Why you open Mimi's chest then? It's a... What's that? It's a home cleaning set with a broom and a mop and... What's that? Woohoo! What's that? And a bucket and... What's all those? Oh, you're gonna have to clean up the house. Both of you gonna have to clean up the house already, okay? Woohoo! Okay, so one person can hold a mop and one person can hold a broom. But that's for cleaning the window. This is a mop. This is a mop.
He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you get bad or good. So
Yeah, because you're putting soap into the bucket.
you better watch out. You better not cry.
Elijah, who gave Gloria this present? Meme, who gave you this present, darling?
It's coming.
Grandmama. Grandmama. So you must say thank you to Grandma and thank you to Godmama.
Coming to town.
Oh. What's happening with the Play-Doh? How do you do it? How do you do it? How do you do it? That's really cool. What have you made, Elijah? Mr. Flash. This is really cool. Oh, what is that? It's a birthday cake and does it move? That's so cool. That's so cool. And you can open it up. That's so cool. Whoa. Is this Mimi's new present? Yes. Happy birthday. It says happy birthday. Gloria, where's your baby? Baby cry? Can you press the baby tummy? How do you do it? What's the baby saying? Is this?
Not sleeping. Sleeping.
Sleeping? Baby sleep? Huh?
Oh,
Baby
Christmas
sleeping?
tree,
Is that how you do it?
oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and dreary. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me.
Oh, look at this, got tears. Is that
How
tears?
often has the Christmas tree afforded
see,
me
baby, baby,
the greatest glee? Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas
Yes, okay, Mimi
tree,
turn.
much pleasure thou
Oh no, don't
canst
cry, don't
give
cry.
me.
Oh, okay, don't
Oh,
cry.
Christmas
baby.
tree, oh, Christmas tree,
See, I can see.
thy candles shine so
Baby.
brightly. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly. From face to
baby,
sun,
baby.
this gay and bright, there's only
Okay,
splendor
it's
for the
opening
sun.
presents
Oh,
time.
Christmas
Yay.
tree, oh,
Okay,
Christmas
let's
tree,
open.
thy candles shine so brightly. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee.
That is
Thou
one
bidst us
says
true
it's like
and
A, like
faithful
fur.
be,
That is name
and
and
trust in God
a transformer.
unchangedly. Oh,
And
Christmas
there's something
tree,
special. Where's the
oh,
little? And
Christmas
then there's
tree,
something in the kitchen.
how
Where is it?
richly God has
The
decked
label. No,
thee.
look at that.
Lee.
It's Lee, and it's got a T-Rex on it.
Whoa! What's
Oh, Gloria, what is that? Wow! What is that, Gloria? Can I see? Wow! Wow, maybe you can open it.
Aeroplane!
Whoa, Gloria, what is that? Yeah, I think that's it.
On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 4 calling birds.
So nice, Gloria.
2 turtle doves and a partridge. Five golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3
Because she's turning 3 next year. She's turning 3 next year. Whoa! That's Goofy, Daisy Duck. I don't know what this dog is. There's a cat. There's Donald Duck. And there's Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and Mickey Mouse. Can I see? Donald Duck. Goofy the dog. Can I see Minnie Mouse? Can we see Minnie Mouse? Minnie Mouse. And Mickey. And they have a meow meow, a cat. And you have a small little car.
Dancing, 8 meals of milking, 7 swarms of swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5
Where's his house?
golden rings.
Who's that? Is that a cat? cow or sheep? What's that? This is a sheep. It's a sheep? Like that.
On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love said to me, 10 lords of living, 9 ladies
Then this one?
dancing,
What does this
8 maids a
animal
milking,
make?
7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying,
Go, go.
5
Woof, woof. And where's the cat?
4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtles, and a partridge
Yes.
in a tree.
Yes, the cat goes meow, the cow goes moo. And what does a car sound make?
11 pipers piping, 10
Vroom.
lords of leaping, 9 ladies dancing,
Gloria, aren't you gonna open your present? This is the present that Mommy gives you. Mommy buy this present for Gloria and for Elijah.
And a partridge in a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love said to me, 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden birds.
Can I see the baby?
Calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtles, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Can I turn around? Whoa. Baby cry? Mimi, do you like it? What did she press again? 煮粥，煮粥。等一下，等一下，4、3、2、1。
Before I melt away, down to the village with a running all around the square, saying, "Catch me if you can." He led them down the streets of town until the dusk was gone, and only paused a moment when the caller stopped for Frosty the Snowman had to hurry on his way. But he had no saying, "Don't you cry, I'll be back again someday."
God bless you.
Frosty the Snowman was a jolly, happy soul with a corncob pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes.
What are you doing, Elijah? It's like you're cooking rice.
Yes,
Wow! That is so cool. Wow! 炸小宝. And this, what is this, Elijah? Dumpling? 巴掌. Broccoli? Porridge? 包 is a big, this is a 大包, 小包, big 包, small 包. Okay, you have a 馒头. And then you have peas. This is a 锅贴. You're making coffee. Coffee. Why are you making coffee? 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 Okay. Thank you. Steam. Yeah, you're steaming the rice.
You put your hooves in, you put your hooves out, you put your hooves in, and
you shake them all about. You do the reindeer pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your antlers in, you put your antlers out, you put your antlers in and you shake them all about. You do the reindeer
how you
pokey
dance.
and you turn yourself around.
What
That's
song are you
what
dancing
it's
to?
all
Are you dancing the rum pum
about.
pum pum?
You put your tail in, you put your tail out, you put your tail in and you shake it all
song is that?
about. You do the reindeer pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, my father is to ride and wonderful to say. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, my fun is to ride a wonderful open sleigh.
Is it a Peppa Pig microphone mic? What I see? Ooh, so cool.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
She will bite you.